Hey, welcome back, folks. I know it's been a long journey down the road, and I haven't seen you guys in, I don't know, maybe 2 or 3 months. So, what I decided to make was well, not really make, I'm cooking actually. They're called SmithField Extra Tender, Extra Meaty Pork Back Ribs. Extra tender and juicy, hand trim cuts, and let's just say, they're I'm hoping they're going to be pretty good. So first of all, what I want to do is start the oven. And how do we want to start the oven? Oh shoot. Why does this do this to me? So we're going to start the oven right here by pressing the preheat right here along with start and the amount that the oven should be. So the oven should be 350, give and take about 5 minutes. It'll take for the oven to heat up. Then what I decided to do was get some McCormick Grill Mate Smokehouse Maple. I've never used this before, so I'm assuming it is probably going to make the ribs taste really good. And if you want to know what's in it, it's just some salt, cane sugar, brown sugar, molasses, cane molasses, caramel color, garlic, onion, spices, including paprika, chili pepper. My mouth is going to be burning up. Orange peel. No wonder it smells so good. Red bell peppers, and I think everybody likes red bell peppers. Maple syrup and natural flavors, including smoke. So in other words, I don't even have to have a grill. All I have to do is put this on my ribs, and it's gonna be good. Hopefully well, it should, There's the ribs. I covered them with the smokehouse maple, and I'll be back in about 2 hours or maybe an hour, so you can have an idea of what the food looks like, because we are going to have to flip it over.